radar now, dealing with a little bit of light rain showers, and that's really about it. Just some cloud cover and the rain. So rain tonight, rain tomorrow. Temperatures right now well above freezing and well above average. 41 in Lansing. We'll still drop down a couple more degrees, but we'll probably hold on to these mid to lower 40s for overnight lows over on the east end. It's already down into the 30s out west. Kind of got that variety of temperatures balancing out around 40 or so for the overnight lows. Coldest air is off to our west, and that is incoming, but it's not going to be here just yet. It starts to arrive by tomorrow night. In the meantime, we got this southerly flow bringing in the warm air and the moisture all the way from the Gulf, bringing it into the lower peninsula here. And around the nation, you can see, look at all that moisture. There's a lot of rain, a lot of activity. Snow off to our west, nothing too serious just yet, but we're going to zoom in on a couple of places. Have you looked at the south yet today? I know it's not exactly close to home, is it? But they've had several tornado reports, even a few fatalities, unfortunately, in parts of Mississippi. So why does this apply to us? The low pressure system causing all that trouble is headed towards us, and that's going to give us our rainfall, already causing some of our rain in the distance, moving into the overnight hours. Part of your weather headlines. Rainy night tonight, calm Christmas. It's all about Christmas Eve. Let's talk about that one there. Rainy, then snow in the evening, dangerous driving conditions. Again, that's going to depend on where you're going. So moving through our future track here, here's a look. Overnight tonight, increasing rainfall, becoming more steady, maybe even moderate rainfall at times, just not that little bits of light sprinkles. This will be a steady rain. Here's tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, more rain, 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 rain. But you see this low pressure system moves directly over mid-Michigan, and that's going to cause a variety of wind conditions, increasingly strong wind gusts, especially out of the northwest by the time it passes us by, and stronger winds out east. But notice the colder temperatures in the evening hours after 7, 8, 9. The pink is the mix, the blue is the snow. Exactly how much snow we'll see varies. Really, that's a difficult part of any forecast. A couple degrees left or right of that thermometer of the freezing mark could mean all the difference between all rain or all snow. So we're going to see more snow out west and less snow out east. Almost no snow in the Detroit area, but that's when you could see the hazardous driving conditions late in the evening on Wednesday. And here's Thursday. Much calmer picture, isn't it? Christmas Day is not the issue. It's all about Christmas Eve. Here's snowfall accumulations. Mid-Michigan, our viewing area, 1 inch or less. More amounts out west. Accumulation is not the problem here. It's just that question of, the mix, the rain and the snow. That's when you get the slippery driving. You can see up north, they're going to see heavier accumulations, and out west as well. That's when Grand Rapids, they'll see the transition earlier. They'll be colder. If you're heading out west, that's a bigger issue in the afternoon hours. Mid-Michigan, late evening. In the eastern portions of Michigan, heading to Detroit for tomorrow evening or tomorrow afternoon, just going to deal with the rain. Maybe a small amount of snow tomorrow night out east, but that's about it. However, look at this. High wind watch over the eastern counties of the lower peninsula here. Lenawee, Washtenaw, Livingston counties included there. Gusts could be around 50 to 60 miles per hour. We'll all be very windy and gusty, but the strongest winds will be east, just on the other side of that system. It makes all the difference. See how the wide variety of conditions we're dealing with tomorrow? Now let's talk about temperatures. Overnight tonight, only dropping down a couple more degrees, around 40 degrees or so, warmer east. Now look at tomorrow's highs. Could be up to 60 over on the east end. Might even hear a couple rumbles of thunder because it'll be so warm with the rain, and then dealing with barely up to 40 over on the west end. We're going to be right in that 40-degree range for most of our viewing area, and then staying warmer there. Your low tonight about 39, warm and rainy. Tomorrow, high of 47, rainy, warm and windy. Very windy for some spots. High of 47. Our 1-800-Hanson's kid, 2-year-old Eulalia from Lansing. In the 7-day forecast, have a look. Wednesday is a day of interest, especially in the evening. Calmer for Christmas Day Thursday. More snow likely over parts of the weekend like Saturday, and then again on perhaps Monday. Temperatures much colder for next week. Much calmer weather in general. It's all about tomorrow. And like I said, going to Detroit, not going to deal with as many problems. Going to Grand Rapids, you will be dealing with more problems.